Sago, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a contact form in Shopify. Really simple. It takes around 1 to 2 minutes to set up, literally not longer than that. And I know this might sound pretty basic to most of you guys, but at the same time I know a lot of people don't know their way around Shopify, so I thought it was a great idea to just create a video really quick, only like a 1 minute video showing you guys exactly how you can set up a contact form or a contact page on Shopify. So let's just jump right into it. All right, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is sign into your Shopify account and go to the admin dashboard. Once you're inside of the admin dashboard on your Shopify account, you want to go ahead and press online store. Oops, let me just fix that really quick. View float on top. Okay, there we go. So this is not a store I actually run, so you can search it up. You're not going to find it basically. But anyway, so once you're inside of this online store, what you want to go ahead and do is go to navigation. Pages. You want to go to online store and then pages. Once you're inside of pages, you can press add page. One more thing, this track order page, you're not going to see it. If you want to set up a tracking page on your Shopify store for completely free, go ahead and check out my previous video. I'll leave a link in the description to it as well. But now go ahead and press add page. Once you press add page, what you want to go ahead and do is press this page button right over here on the right side and press page.contact. Boom, there you go. Now type in a name. Contact us is what I personally would have done. So contact us. There you go. Let me just fix this. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So contact us, and now you can go ahead and go to the back symbol there. Awesome. And one more thing. So like, let me just show you. So if we just view the page, right? Let's press view page. You can see we've got a contact form with name, email, phone number, message, and everything, right? But there's one thing missing, and that's how do I get to this contact form on this website? There's no way to get on here, right? And it's very simple to set up. All you got to do is go to navigation, go to main menu, and from here you want to press add menu item, press this link and just type in contact there you go, contact us, and the name should already be entered once you select this link here, and just press add. Okay, now press save menu, allow it to save really quick, and you can see it says menu saved, but we can just go ahead and refresh the page here. So there you go. We've now got contact us, and it's saying that we're on this page. You can press it and it's going to bring you to the right page, right? That's basically all you got to do to be able to set up a Shopify store contact form. All right. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I know it was very basic, and most of y'all probably already know how to set this up, but I know there's a lot of people who struggle with this and don't know how to set up a contact page with Shopify. So I thought it was a great idea to just make this video really quickly. It only takes like 2 minutes to set up. And I appreciate y'all for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.